Learn about a country every day. Myanmar. Myanmar is located in Southeast Asia. It borders 5 neighboring countries. Its land area is 676,600 square kilometers. Its coastline runs along the Andaman Sea and the Bay of Bengal all the way to the Kra Isthmus. This makes the narrowest point in Thailand only 13 kilometers. It almost splits Thailand in two. And in the western coastal areas, Myanmar has over 800 islands. Ramri Island in the north is the country's largest island. The Coco Islands near India's Andaman Islands also belong to Myanmar. Myanmar is divided into 7 regions, 7 states, and 1 union territory. The capital Naypyidaw is located in the narrow valley of the Sitang River, east of the Pegu Mountains, 320 kilometers from the ancient city Mandalay. But Naypyidaw is only the 3rd largest city in the country. The biggest city is actually Yangon in the south. Yangon was Myanmar's capital for a long time. It has Myanmar's largest international airport, Yangon International Airport, and the biggest seaport, Yangon Port. The 2nd largest city is Mandalay in the north. It was the capital of Myanmar's last feudal dynasty, the Konbaung dynasty. The country's 2nd busiest airport, Mandalay International Airport, is located here. Along with Naypyidaw International Airport, these form Myanmar's only 3 international airports. For other infrastructure, Myanmar's total road mileage is 92,300 miles, but only about 20,000 miles are concrete or asphalt paved. Also, Myanmar's railway facilities are poor. The rail network is outdated. Total railway length is 6,110.48 kilometers. Main routes include Yangon to Mandalay, Bago, Molamine, Pi, Mandalay to Myitkyina, and others. And currently, Myanmar has no city subway systems. Geographically, Myanmar is largely surrounded by mountains bordering its neighbors. In the southwest, there are the Arakan Mountains and the Long Long Mountains. To the north, there are the Naga Hills and the Jayaligong Mountains. Here stands Southeast Asia's highest peak, Kakabo Razi. Further south, there are the Shan Plateau, the Tananthariai Range, and the Pegu Ranges. The central inland areas of the country are generally flat. And this area has a dense river network. Main rivers include the Irrawaddy, Salween, Chindwin, Sitang, and Mekong. Tributaries spread all over the nation. The Irrawaddy, Salween, and Mekong rivers all originate in China. The Irrawaddy River is Myanmar's largest river. It has abundant water flow and gentle currents. Flowing from north to south, it passes through Kachin State, Mandalay, Yangon, and 6 other regions. Finally, it empties into the Indian Ocean near Yangon. It stretches 2,200 kilometers long. The Salween River is Myanmar's 2nd largest river. It exits from Lushui in China's Yunnan province and enters Myanmar. It runs 1,660 kilometers within Myanmar. It passes through Shan State, Kaya State, Kayin State, and Mon State. It finally drains into the Indian Ocean through the Gulf of Madama. The Mekong River enters Myanmar from Zhishuangbana. It mainly flows along the border of Myanmar's Shan State with Laos and Thailand. In the north, Indoji Lake is the country's largest natural lake. Myanmar's geographical setting appears quite good. But the country sits right in the intense collision zone between the Indian Plate and the Eurasian Plate. Coupled with multiple active fault zones and shallow focus earthquakes